Alright, what's up guys? So, second day of the demo account trading. It's currently nearly 2:05, and yeah, so let's try get around 2 to 3 trades in today. Maybe trying aim for about 3% profit today. So hopefully there's some good opportunities. So far I'm not really liking the price action that's been happening around this area here from around 11 to nearly 2 now, but it's starting to break out. I didn't really want to get into a trade here too early because obviously there's barely any confirmation to go in, so I didn't really want to risk that. So I think we're just going to wait a bit to see whether or not this trend will actually carry on, and then obviously at 2:30 the market will open. So hopefully there'll be some opportunity to trade by around 2:30, but until then I'm probably just going to wait and just see what the market is going to do. So yeah, because I think what happens is before the market opens at 2:30, even on any day you can go back into the graphs and look, the price action before is always going to be quite shaky, and immediately before the market opens either going to be a massive spike in buy orders or a massive spike in sell orders. So right now we're seeing a lot of buy orders coming in, so I think if this trend carries on and then it kind of stops, I guess, and starts to stay in this price near to 2:30, I'll then have a better picture on whether or not I should do a sell or a buy order. But at the moment, I think when that time comes, I think I'll probably do a sell order based on how the RSI is moving upwards. So when this purple line starts going downwards and the yellow moving average intercepts it while going upwards, I think I might start looking to short. And obviously when the market opens, it's very volatile. So I'll try aim for around a 1 to 2.5 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. But yeah, so today also we're doing different lot sizes. So today I'm only been trading with minimum 50 lot size, because yesterday the lot sizes were way too big. As we can see here, 66, 60. So, today I want to try out 50 and try be a little bit more, have better risk management today. So if anything does backfire, I'll only lose 1%. And if I lose another trade, I'll just stop trading for the day. I'll take those losses. All right, getting quite close to my RSI here. So I think I'm definitely going to think about entering a trade, maybe a sell. I'll definitely think about shorting this now. I mean, it's just gone through. Oh, sorry. It's just gone through now. So I'll put in a sell order here. So I have my stop loss around here. I have my take profit around here. So 23,090. So around here. I think I'll put my stop loss around 23,11.5. Actually, I'll put that 11.10. Right. So that's my stop loss. Here's my take profit. In the trade. Okay, here we go. Also, for the next few trades, I'll just speed it up. So for now, I'll just speed the video up, and then as it hits my TP, then I'll just undo it and then speak to you guys. So I'll just film for now. I might try and just drag my take profit a bit more, just to be a little bit more greedy and try and secure some more profits. But I think I'll be happy to make like 500 here, so I'm not complaining about that. I'm just moving my stop loss close to my buy price, so worst comes to worst, the trade does backfire, I'll still only lose a very marginal amount. So I just quickly move my take profit as well. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna watch this trade, see how it goes. Uh, Seems to be some sort of picking up on the 1 minute, but I think it's just a minor pullback. I don't think it will last too long. So I mean, it's getting close to the 50 moving average here. So I think I might try and just move my stop loss a little bit more. So essentially, I'll pretty much break even on this trade. I'll keep my take profit where it is. I mean, I'm still in a decent amount of profit, 240. So everything seems to be going all right. But I'm just a bit concerned about this pullback here on the 1 minute and also on the 3 minute as well. So I could get liquidated here. So you never know. Well, it's near to 230 now as well. So it seems to be picking up quite a bit, as you can see, with these long wicks on the bottom. So I think the volume should be picking up as well. So I'll start to see a higher return maybe. Right, I'm just going to quickly drag my stop loss down to my buy price, just so I would break even on this trade. Actually, maybe, I don't know. I think it will carry on going down. Can't really say yet because it is really close to the um, market open. So I mean, yeah, you know what? I want to close this trade early. I have it at my break even, so I won't lose any money. It does seem to be a little bit more picking up on the 1 minute, so it's not looking bad. Only thing is, it is getting close to where my RSI is here. So I think it might be time to close the position and maybe try and look for a long. I'll just wait this trade out. All right, there we go. I got stopped out. Never mind. Um, yeah, I lost 5 because obviously the transaction fee, I think. Never mind. Um, let's go back and take a look. I probably could have exited that trade earlier. I shouldn't have moved my take profit. I think that's quite a bad decision to make. So yeah, I think I could have bagged at least like 600 there, but it's fine. That was a very short-lived trade, so never mind. All right, back. Just quick update. Honestly, there's not really many opportunities to really actually go in here. Because I mean, just look at the price action here. It's just like spazzing out, I guess, a bit too much. It's not really to my liking. Although it does kind of look like it's going in an uptrend. So I mean, if I were to go in here, I'd only hunt for like a 0.1 return, so just £1,000 or dollars. I want to look for a sell order here, but I don't think it'll pop up. Yeah. Yeah, it's just kind of rejecting it here. I mean, it does look like a similar setup to yesterday, where it kind of had this sort of price action, and on previous days I've seen, because I really want to look for a short. I really want to short it. Because I think if I short it, it'll be a good opportunity to. If I think it'll hit if I were to short it. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go for a sell order here. All right. Here, I don't really want to try to be too greedy. I'm gonna try just aim for a 0.15 percent target, same as yesterday. Just want to secure some profits. Don't want to be too greedy because that's why I didn't trade. That's why I trade didn't really hit earlier. So I think if this trade hits, I'll probably stay away. Even if it hits or doesn't hit, I'll probably stay away for the rest of the day because obviously the high impact news and don't really want to be making any trades during that time because there's again too much uncertainty. But I think we're in a pretty decent position here. What was it? Come on, price 23141. 23139. So quickly move my stop loss down a bit. There we go. Okay. All right. Liking the setup here. I think if it starts reaching further down here, I'll then start looking for move my stop loss down a bit. If it starts really progressing down a bit. Where's my take profit at? Take profit is at 23083. There we go. Okay, cool. Right, everything seems to be looking all right. Currently on 700 in profit, so just halfway my $1,500 price target for this trade. So I think when it gets to the 1,000, I'm definitely going to start thinking, actually, no, right now I'm going to start moving my stop loss down to about only risking 0.3-ish. There we go. And I mean, looking how close it is to my RSI, I think I might be able to get away with lowering my take profit because I think it's hard to tell. I think it'll hit my 0.15, but it's just a matter of time. There seems to be quite a big pullback here. I'm not really liking any of this price action here. It's been way too indecisive. I want it to carry on going down a bit so I can try and move my stop loss into the profit without having a high chance of being stopped out. So I think this should carry on trading down to its original level, and then I'll definitely think about lowering the stop loss. I think I might just get out here. It's going back up to my RSI, so I think I'm just going to move it to just to a 1-to-1 or 0.3-to-1 risk to reward ratio now. Just secure some profits. Yeah, it's getting super bad here. Can't really tell if it's going to backfire on me or not. I mean, it's nothing like yesterday, whereas yesterday I was just straight to the point. So I managed to get good profits yesterday, but I don't know. I think today it might be because of the high impact news coming out. So I don't think there's a lot of. I think that's added to the fact that why it's been so indecisive or undecisive. Just moving up, just so it meets the. Yeah. All right. Since you're picking up quite a bit, just want to hit the take profit here, just so I can get just 1% profit for the day, and I'll be happy with that. And then, guess all I can do now is just really wait. There's just too much going on. I mean, it's looking pretty good on the RSI. As soon as I say that. It's picking up quite a bit. It's gone past where I would have had my stop loss. I was going to move to break even earlier, but I decided not to. It's going to hit my stop loss. Yeah, never mind. Probably should have got out around here just with how indecisive it was. Yeah. All right, well, that's 2 losses in a row. I think I'll probably just call it a day, to be honest. The price action was quite bad. I don't know if it's because of the high news data, the high impact news coming up, or what, but I don't really know what it was doing, so done for the day. So never mind. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, okay. So it is a little bit later on, but I just want to give you guys an update of the trade I took earlier, right here. I probably shouldn't have moved my stop loss down so much because I entered here and it only really went to 0.05. So I think on my future trades, I need to hold my stop loss at the 0.1 until it's at least halfway to like where it's at 0.15. Because I did say at the start of the video that when the market opens, I'd be looking for a 1 to 2.5 or a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And look at that, it's hit 3. So and it's when the market opens as well. So I probably shouldn't have moved the stop loss down so much, and I probably just let it just play out instead. Because there's always going to be some pullbacks when you are trading, so you can't just quickly. Oh, there are going to be pullbacks when you're trading, so you can't move your stop loss down too much. You've got to kind of expect pullbacks. So I think I completely forgot about that in this trade. So it's currently Friday, so the markets aren't open on Friday and Saturday. So I'll post another video on Monday, and hopefully that'll be a better day. And I need to stick to my rules better. And hopefully, I want to try and win both my trades on Monday. So be 5% up for the day, or however as much as I get up. But yeah, so I'll see you on Monday, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And until then, bye.